When plowing, you want to go along the curb with a curb-to-curb cut. Touch the curb and then follow it. Just come off the curb a little bit. When you do your stops, make sure the outer part of your plow blade does not go past the stop sign. When you do your dips, to the center of the road and then come back. Come along the curb, give the curb a little tap so you know where the curb is, and follow the curb. Notice how the driver is following along the curb. This is the proper distance when doing a curb-to-curb plowing. Look in your mirrors. See the tire location and your distance from the curb? You can always look and see where you are positioned as you go by. You can check how close to the curb you are by looking in your lower right mirror. Every now and then, come in and touch that curb so you know you are close. Look in the lower right mirror to ensure that you are doing a proper job. Check for traffic, quarter turn in, middle of the road, quarter turn back. This is the proper plowing procedure as you are doing cross streets. You'll get the rest of that snow when you do your east-west streets, as we were doing a north-south street during this demonstration. This will give you a frontal view of the technique. When coming around a car, do not forget left directional, left mirror, right mirror check, and come back into the curb. Signal out, left mirror check, around the parked car, and back into the curb. When you come back into the curb, a little touch of the curb so you know where it is, and follow the curb line. When doing boulevards, plow along the boulevards. Where there is an opening, you will dip in, halfway, back out, right mirror check, right directional. Plow along the curb, checking your left mirror lower, and check your spatiality or your distance with your rear tire from the curb. When doing these maneuvers, do not forget to check your right mirror, as traffic may be passing you on the right. Pay attention to everything going on around you. Notice the bicycle that just passed you on the left. Come to another intersection, halfway in, halfway across, and come back. Right directional, right mirror. Straighten out, following along the curb, touch the curb, look in your left mirror for spatiality. Don't forget that right mirror check. Watch the traffic in front of you to the left. Make sure you know what they are going to do. Dip in to the center and come back out. Light poles are a good indicator letting you know where the center of the island is. Don't forget your mirror check and your directional. Plowing along the curb, check your lower left mirror. What's your spatiality? Come into a left turn lane, dip in, touch the curb, follow the curb line, watch your traffic at the intersection, make a complete stop, keeping that plow blade back behind the stop sign, come across, Communicate your maneuver. Directional to the right, right mirror check, and come across. When clearing an intersection, you will do several maneuvers. We'll show the second part of the maneuver here. You'll come in, touch the curb, come along the curb, check in your right mirror, you'll see 2 cars came alongside you. Come and make your left turn. Grab the snow in the intersection as you're coming across. Check oncoming traffic. Carry the snow with you. Adjust your blade and take it to the curb. Be aware of all traffic around you while doing this maneuver. When there is no boulevard but the street is wide, you'll need to come over the center line a couple of inches. Watch oncoming traffic and go back into your lane. As you can see, the plow blades traveling along the line. When you see oncoming traffic, you'll check your right mirror and come back over. When it's safe to do so, come back over the traffic line and continue plowing. When you come to a graded bridge, the proper procedure for a graded bridge is plow as far as you can. As you near the bridge, raise your blade up high enough that it does not touch the bridge deck, but low enough that you carry the snow across the bridge. Do not plow on these bridge decks. After the bridge deck, drop the plow down and continue your normal procedure. Railroad tracks. Coming to the railroad tracks, do not hit the rails with your plow blade. Raise the blade up high enough that it doesn't touch the track, but keep it low enough that it carries the snow over the rails. Do not leave snow on railroad tracks. After you clear the railroad tracks, drop your blade down and continue plowing. If you do touch a rail, notify your supervisor or the dispatch office. When plowing bridges over the freeway, stay tight to the curb, but as you enter the bridge, pull away from the bridge a little bit, check your spatiality, do not let the snow go over, plow across. When you reach the other side of the bridge, take that snow to the curb.